viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sushma and today I'm gonna take you through our day 2 trip at Pondicherry. We started our day with a hot cup of coffee, enjoying the scenic view at the resort. Please have a look. This is my little daughter who is not leaving her frozen sunglasses which she got the before day, and now we are going to the restaurant to have the breakfast, and it was a buffet, so let's see what all options we have. And yes, we do have many options in breakfast because it was a buffet and the food was of course very delicious. So let's go and grab some food and fill our tummies. After having breakfast, we started going out and we visited Sri Venkateshwara Swami temple. We have planned before that we'll visit the temple first and explore other places in Pondicherry. So let's go take darshan of Lord Venkateshwara.
We just reached to Auroville.
Welcome. Auroville is a small town 6 km from north of Pondicherry. This town was a vision of mother from Sri Aurobindo Ashram. The township of Auroville is meant to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and harmony. We will have to walk for more than 1 kilometer to reach the meditation center. However, once you reach the information center, you can ask them to provide a shuttle which is free for senior citizens and women. So you can utilize the shuttle and go to the Matri Mandir or the meditation center. So let's go and visit Matri Mandir. Let's walk. is the information center where you will get the details about the Matri Mandir, and here you can ask them for a shuttle if you are a senior citizen or a woman with kids. So we did utilize the shuttle, and they have directly taken us to the Matri Mandir or the meditation center. So let's go. Matri Mandir means Temple of the Mother. This geographically and spiritually heart of Auroville. The outside is plated with gold and inside has a gigantic crystal in the center. And this is the biggest banyan tree I have seen ever. And we tried to do quite some shopping, but because there are more foreign visitors coming to this Matri Mandir or Auroville, the prices are in dollars, so we thought of not buying it but just see. And this is a stall where everything is made out of recycled products, so I was awestruck with how creative it was. They have used plastic, coconut shells, CDs, etc. to make some useful items out of it. So please watch. It was raining and we were very hungry by then, so we just had some ice cream, some sandwich and juice to fill our hungry stomachs. And then we started to the rock beach. Here is the rock beach. It was very good. The weather was very good, so we enjoyed here for quite some time. We did take quite some pictures. And it also had the biggest Gandhi statue in Asia. So let's go and salute to Gandhi ji. After relaxing for a while, we started to the beach, which was just nearby the resort, and we had fun time there. This was our day 2 trip, and I'll catch you with the day 3 trip. Stay tuned.
Video was too good. So please like, share, subscribe.
Hey, bell icon.
Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. Tintin.